In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add unique IDs to boards in Monday.com. This is a handy feature, especially for those who need to keep track of items with a unique identifier, making it easier to organize and reference tasks or projects. So let's dive in and see how you can effortlessly add an ID column to your board. To start, take a look at your existing board. You'll see your tasks laid out in columns, but what we want to do is add a new column dedicated to unique IDs. To do this, locate the plus icon situated nicely next to your last column on the far right. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This action will bring up a variety of options for the different types of columns you can add. It's a really flexible feature of Monday.com, allowing you to tailor your boards precisely to your needs. Next, what you're going to do is search for item ID. Simply type into the search bar and watch as it appears. Once you find it, click on Item ID, and just like magic, you'll see a new column pop up on your board. This will automatically contain item IDs, complete with unique numbers, ensuring each task or item on your board can be distinctly identified. Now, you might wonder how you can actually make use of this. If you click directly on a cell within this ID column, you'll find that you can effortlessly copy those numbers. This can be particularly useful if you're integrating with other tools or simply need to reference the ID elsewhere. But what if you want to personalize these IDs or adjust their format? Monday.com has got you covered. Go back to the Item ID column header and notice the three dots icon. Clicking on this icon is going to give you several options. Dive into Settings, and from there you can select Customize Item ID Column. This is where the fun begins, as you have the flexibility to modify your IDs. You can customize the prefix or suffix, perhaps adding a specific code that relates to a particular project or department. Or maybe you have a numbering system you want to implement. Customization in this section is entirely up to your imagination and needs. Once you've made the desired changes, or even if you decide to stick with the default setting, make sure to apply your settings. And there you have it. Your board now features an ID column that's both functional and customized according to your preferences. This can significantly boost your board's efficiency and clarity, ensuring everything is in order and easy to track. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Enjoy the added efficiency of unique IDs on your boards and take full advantage of how they can streamline your project management on Monday.com.